Oh, I know, right? Hello, 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 everyone. Look, yeah, I do normally start off with a little
You do?
music. Yeah.
What's your music? The cool vibe.
Yeah. Well, hello. Welcome to Wine and Wellness Wednesday, guys. I am Lindsay Brantley, the founder of Camellia Alise, and I am joined by Miss Chantel from Trubody by Shaw, and I'm super excited to have her with us today.
Yes.
So, as is customary, before we do anything else, we got to toast.
Yes, we do.
We have made it through hump day. We halfway through the week.
Hump day.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. So, how's everybody doing today? I hope that you guys are having an amazing Wednesday so far. Today, we're going to kind of talk about self-care, and I wanted to bring Chantel on. For those of you guys who don't know, Chantel is our resident body contour specialist, an amazing nurse, reflexologist. She's just an all-around amazing lady. So,
Jane of all trades?
Jane of all trades, right? But so we've been talking the past couple weeks about skincare.
Yes.
And so this week I kind of wanted to get back onto the self-care side of things.
Yeah.
And I'm going to eventually show you guys a couple of little tools that we have, but right now, me and Chantel are looking at this pouring down rain, but it is so sunny outside.
It's so weird.
And so we're just looking in amazement. So maybe by the time I turn these cameras around, you guys will get to see it too. It's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful outside, but it is raining.
It is pouring.
And isn't that symbolic of 2020? I'm like,
Yeah. Gee.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah, just a little symbolic. But so every Wine and Wellness Wednesday we talk about self-care or skincare and everything in between.
Right.
And you are a mom, a wife, a business owner. How do you deal with stress, especially in today's time?
Honestly, with me, just having moments of just silence. I have a rambunctious 3-year-old, so sometimes it is kind of hard, but just taking moments of just silence, whether I'm in the bathroom or just out in the backyard. Like my backyard is my oasis. And then I work out. For those of you who follow me, I work out quite a bit, and that's my hour of just me. Working out, going hard in the paint, as some people say, really trying to get up, my cardio and just working and just having that time. Like, that's my time.
Yeah.
Some people don't see it as time. Like, working out is hard for a lot of people, but that's just something that I enjoy doing. So working out and just having like that moment where I just turn off, silence, nothing, no talking, no TV, no cell phone, no noise, no music, nothing. And that's pretty much what I've been doing to really
time away where you don't have to be mom and
Yeah.
wife and everything else.
Yeah.
So we've been talking about that a little bit too, like physical movement to kind of help, get rid of some of the anxiety and
Yes.
getting those endorphins going. So I love that you said that, because I'm like, for some people it does feel like a chore, but once you get into it, I know people that are just hooked. They're like, I have to walk every day. I have to run. So I definitely see that.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely a mess. And I remember like when I was pregnant with my youngest one, I couldn't, just health reasons, I couldn't work out. And I felt it. I absolutely felt it. So after I had it's just been workout, cycling, whatever movement I can do, I did it just to move, lubricate those joints.
And have you added anything new, post-COVID to kind of help you cope with everything?
Honestly, I really haven't. Just the working out has it's really just been my saving grace.
Okay. Guys, if y'all are not following her, y'all need to check her out, because she goes hard in the paint. I'm over there like, you're inspiring me. I need to go walk around the block. When I watch her work out, I'm like, yeah, I need to step up my game. But it's so important, right? Like, you working out helps you sleep better. It helps you breathe better. It helps give you that mental time. I actually have just started, I start and I stop and I start and I stop. But now I'm doing 2 miles a day and trying to get it up to 4. I don't run, I walk.
But you're moving.
Yes,
You're
I'll
moving.
walk. But for me, I'm doing it first thing in the morning. Literally roll out of bed and just walk.
Yeah.
Because I know that in the evenings it doesn't work. By the time you've done all this all day, you worked, you're tired. You know, so I'm like, let me just get up in the morning, be purposeful, and it's helping a lot.
See, that's good. But you're also a morning person. I'm really not.
I'm like half and half.
My workouts are usually in the evening.
Okay.
Like probably like after 5, 6 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'm half and half, and I'm just like, it doesn't work out for me. I convince myself of reasons that I don't need to work out. By the time I get home in the evening, yes, I'm like, it's been such a long day. You know, I've been moving around all day. Like, I'm fine. I'm okay.
That's hilarious.
So that's why I was like,
Tomorrow.
Yes, I'm like, let me just get up and go now, because if I don't, I won't. I'm going
But at least you're done. You do it in the morning and then you're done.
Yeah, so see, we have people coming, they're like, I've been wanting to transition in the morning, like to morning times. Yeah, because I know for me personally, I convinced myself not to do it in the evenings. Like, oh, you know, let me just go have my glass of wine. I've worked hard today.
Exactly.
I'm sure I got those steps in. No.
No,
Like,
you probably didn't. But some people are just, it makes more sense to do workouts or walking or whatever it is you do in the morning because then it's done.
done, yeah.
But I am not.
But hey, however it works for you, I just say do it, right?
Do it.
So thank you guys so much, everybody that's joining us. So, but yeah, I got a lot of people waving and commenting, so I'm just checking them out. But I mean, either way, as long as you're out there doing it, if you're a morning person, stick with mornings, evening person, but do it. Even if it's only 20 minutes of you walking a day, get out there, move around, do something.
Yeah. Just something.
And then, of course, you know, we have our wine, we're relaxing, and so.
I should have added that. I definitely drink wine just a tad bit more than I was before.
I mean,
so that is
understandable.
Self-care, relaxation.
Yeah.
But I increase my water intake. I won't put that out there.
Yeah.
I increase my water intake because I increase my
Because
wine
you increase
intake.
your wine. Oh,
Yes.
So I guess how do you feel COVID has kind of affected you and your everyday routine, mentally, you know, physically? How do you feel like it's affected you?
It definitely sucks. It definitely sucks. Like my husband and I just celebrated our 6-year anniversary.
Congratulations.
6 years. Just kidding. But yes, we celebrated our 6th anniversary, and it was wonderful. Went to Corpus Christi, got rained out, went to San Antonio, but the plan was to actually go overseas. Like we had a whole thing where we were going to go to Greece and Africa, and we had a whole week planned. That was like 10 days, I think. Like whole 10 days planned. No, we're not going to travel way over there. So I'm like, okay, well, it's got to be somewhere we can drive because I'm not ready to get on a plane yet.
Yeah.
So in that aspect with traveling, because we like to travel, like to go places, even if it's just to Charlotte or something where my parents are. Like it stops everything.
Yeah.
Having date nights kind of stopped. So we do a lot of our date nights we do at home.
Yeah.
So it stopped a lot of things. Going to bring my little one to the park, I get kind of grossed out.
Right. You can't even touch the spot. Yeah.
So it's a lot of aspects. It stopped a lot of things. My oldest got admitted to, accepted to Prairie View. Going back and forth with him going on campus and doing classes. So now he's gonna stay home and do online classes. So it has affected like every aspect of our lives and this mask business. I'm not gonna get into that. I'm not gonna get into that because I'm definitely just put your freaking mask on, but I won't get into that. But just wearing a mask and the mask need that I call it, and so it's just a lot. It's just a lot, and I'm over it, but
We're still in it. Yeah, it's like it's not over.
It's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
So it is. What about you? Like, how is it?
So, like I was telling you before, I kind of come and go a little bit. But the walking, I have tried to be more consistent with, and I feel like that's kind of bringing my anxiety down. And then also skincare. I'm trying to actually take a little bit more time to do things for myself. And then I wanted to show the guys on camera, and I'll swing around, but I got a couple of new self-care toys that I feel like are making things a little bit better even while we're sitting here, right? So one of them, if you don't know, she does thermal infused reflexology, and I do the thermal infused foot soaks. Well, those soaks are also bath teas. So I use mine faithfully as a bath tea, because it just, the smell, the calm that comes along with it. Even for my birthday, like yesterday, I was like, I need to just go I'm here anyway, and do my own foot soak and be by myself for just a few minutes. So that was really calming, that helped. And then, of course, you know, the diffuser. So I'm gonna swing this around really quickly just so that they can see what we're talking about. One second, let's see if I can get both of these in clear view. And of course, it is still raining, so y'all can see the sunny rain that's going.
Weird.
Yeah, hold on one second.
So weird. I need to do that. I need to do more foot soaks. I can't do reflexology on myself.
Yeah, that's what I'm like. I need it. You're gonna have to do it for me.
There's definitely more things I can be doing.
Yeah. So this, by the way, guys, this is a new product. It's called the Witch's Brew diffuser. And as you can see, it's kind of got like a bigger diffuser than typical, but it's got a really calming scent that's coming out right now. So we're just breathing in calm. We're breathing in calm air and enjoying the view, the color therapy. So just small things that you can incorporate into your everyday life. And this, okay, I have to tell you this. Of course, everybody right now is shopping online, right? Everybody's shopping. Everybody's hanging out on Facebook, on Instagram, and Facebook gets into your mind, you know, and they know what you're thinking. And so they sent me this diffuser on an ad. I had never seen it before. We both in there? Yeah. I had never seen it before, and it's actually by Kim Zolciak from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. Yeah, this is her, like, it's her brand or whatever. But she has like a whole skincare brand, but I got the Witch's Brew thing, and you know, it's something different. It's aesthetically pleasing, something for us to look at, smell. Of course, makes the spa a little bit better. Yeah. But
it smells amazing. It looks like, I didn't turn the camera around, but it looks like a you know, like witches like potion. They have like the smoke.
Yes,
That's kind of what it looks like.
Because you know, regular diffuser kind of gives you just that small little smoke. Well, this does like the full.
It's nice. You can smell it. It smells like lemongrass.
Yeah, so I just, you know, I feel like no matter what you're doing to try to cope with things in the way that they currently are, every little bit helps, right? So even if it's something as small as a bath tea so you can actually soak and de-stress, or, you know, a diffuser so that you have aromatherapy, like everybody needs to find something that helps them, you know, something that helps them to cope with the current situation that we're in.
Something so simple.
Yeah. Even a walk, right?
Just walking.
Yes.
Just walking. You're outside with the birds and the trees.
Something that just helps to kind of get, you know, keep you moving through the day. Yeah. Because everybody's stressed.
Yeah, we're all going through it.
Yeah.
You're all going through it. It's just a matter of how you're coping and handling with it. It's tough.
So today I just wanted to jump on with you, you know, tell them a little bit about self-care. We're gonna continue part 2, you guys, on the Academy page. We're gonna talk about some business stuff. So, you know, we come on here, we talk about skincare and self-care, and then we switch gears and we talk a little bit about business stuff too. So you guys can tune in for part 2. And of course, thank you guys so much for joining. And as is customary, you know, toast to you guys. Hope that you finish that glass and enjoy the rest of your evening. All right, we'll talk to you guys next week.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.
No, right? Well, you gotta kind of